thunderstorm warning for northwestern Delaware County, southeastern Hardin County, northern Union County, Ohio, until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Richwood, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richwood, Radnor, Magnetic Springs, Warrensburg, Ferrisburg, Delaware State Park, Somersville, Byhalia, and Essex. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.